How much luggage for a 7-day cruise? Packing for a 7-day cruise? Here's the sweet spot. One
Please,
medium
come in.
24-26 suitcase plus a small carry-on per person. I travel light, but this setup works even if you like options. Plan outfits, not items. 2 smart casual evenings, 1 formal night, sports jacket or suit, 3 to 4 daytime mixes, 2 workout swim sets, a light sweater, and a rain layer. Shoes, 1 dressy pair, 1 comfy walking pair, 1 sandal or water shoe. Roll clothes, use packing cubes, and repeat tops. Laundry is usually available, so you can have teas and wash midweek. Climate matters. Caribbean equals breathable fabrics and sun gear. Alaska or Northern Europe equals base layer, warm mid-layer, waterproof shell. Shore days eat space, so pack a small day bag, hat, and sunscreen, or gloves or beanie up north. Carry-on is non-negotiable. Meds, documents, valuables, electronics, a change of clothes, and your dinner outfit for night 1 in case bags arrive late.
Okay,
Check airline weight limits if you're flying, and remember cruise cabins have limited storage. Keep it simple, organized, and you'll have everything you need without hauling half your closet.